Hello. So, Stitch says hi. So, I mentioned this in the last video, but I have this box that came in, and I'm not sure if this is my current month's box, or if this is one of the themed boxes, because I ordered 2 of those. So I'll put it in the title so you'll know, but for now I'm about to see. This is bigger than the previous boxes I've gotten. I don't know if the theme boxes I got one size up, I believe, the second size of the B boxes. So that could be an indicator this is a theme box, or it could just be a large item in my A-Ticket normal box, which I think I'm gonna go up to a big box on. Cool. So I think I finally got it open. Boop. And here's the inside. Okay, given that it's a Spaceship Earth postcard, I assume that this is my general box. Aww. And it says, Jennifer, this is a very special box just for you. Mickey Loot. That's cool. Also at the back you can see like the Disney editions, it says, and then there's a cool spot for a postcard that has like a compass and Tinkerbell on it. I mean, for a stamp on the postcard. It says copyright Disney Enterprise from Art of Coloring Maps of Disney Parks. And it's from Epcot, which is awesome. I mentioned kind of liking some of the parks and liking Epcot and stuff, and so this is a really cool coloring card of Spaceship Earth, which I also have a coloring card of the monorail over there, which I liked, so it's cool to have both of these, and you may end up coloring them at some point, which I can show here if I do. So here's my spoilers, and I'm going to put that aside, and yeah, so they definitely still have Foozles inside, so I know they were saying they were just doing that like as a transitionary thing while they were moving. So just to show you real quick, but you know, if that changes, I'll show you. Oh, cool! They're individually wrapped. So I think they did kind of go back to what they were doing before in that sense. And this is kind of a fun coincidence because mint green and purple are my favorite color combinations, and it's a favorite combination of colors, and look at what they did. I don't think I mentioned that anywhere. I could be wrong, but that's super cool. Ah, Foozle. Okay. Let's see. So I got 2 smaller things and a larger thing. And my chair is on my blanket. There, fix that. Let's see. Since this feels like ears, I've kind of already guessed that when I was moving it aside. Let me open this up. Aww. This is super cute though, like as you probably saw I have a pair, but I do really love it. That's awesome. Might need to maybe see if a friend would be interested or something like that, but still is super cute. But yeah, like I said, I do have one, but I like it a lot. And the mint and purple wrapping looks awesome. Right there, just showing that, like, seeing on the inside. take off the sticker because I might use part of that for something. Cool. So let's see what's in this little one. Ooh. Sorry. So, Flower and Garden Festival pass holder limited release. And it's this adorable Figment pin where you can like slide back and forth. That's giant, it's super cool. It's really cute, like, it has like a very cute expression. You just kind of enjoying the flowers, and the part this pass holder kind of looks like a bush or a shrubbery display. And that's super great. Yeah, that's really cool. And then these are also a pin, and it's a Mexico Pavilion pin with Mickey and with like all the marigolds and stuff, which is also super awesome. So as a whole, this had a an Epcot theme to it, which is great. Let me I don't know, I'll put them on. I might as well for right now. So we got the Spaceship Earth, the Mexico Pavilion, and this awesome Figment pin, and this is super cool. Let's see. So the Figment ears were $30. The Flower and Garden pin was $16. The Mickey Mexico Pavilion pin was $10. And then of course not a price thing, but we have the Epcot postcard. And the total is $55, and this was again a $40 box, so super awesome. And again, 3 times in a row, it feels like they really super catered it to the stuff I said I liked, so I think that's really great, and they've done a good job so far. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and can determine if this is something you're interested in, or at least can enjoy seeing the sort of stuff that they give. And yeah, I've really loved the how much they paid attention to what I said I was looking for, and yeah, that's great. And I definitely know at least one person who will really love this, even though I have a pair of them, if nothing else. So very cool. Thank you. Bye.